The Almighty is the master of drama, dropping lessons for our lives within the accounts of famous people throughout the Bible. But there's more. Matthew Vander Els helps us slow down and recognize the subtle wordplay that exposes the character flaws of biblical heroes.
This trap isn't as in your face as the others. You actually don't even notice it the way the story is written. But from the point of being an Israelite and then reading this account, you're supposed to say, wait a second, this isn't good. Instead of being the holy set-apart people, Israel has now become the trophy of world domination. It says that he's the richest king in the world, he's the most powerful king in the world. They have become what they were freed from, essentially. And they have become the new Egypt. And of course, from here, Solomon dies, the whole nation splits because of his son, and Israel continues to go down, 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 just like Jonah. And so, yeah, these are the stories of the Bible that are framed out to have these lessons built into them that we sometimes miss.
I think America has missed the lesson of King Solomon.
Yeah, well.
Military power, wealth, wait a minute.
Yep. So military power, using gold to manipulate other countries for politics.
Making other people their slaves, taking over places, making military outposts all over the place.
All over the place.
Ooh, ouch.
Yeah. U.S. territories, for sure. But yeah, I think we've definitely missed that message. But if your goal is to become an empire, like the beasts in Daniel 7, then King Solomon definitely has a roadmap on how to do that successfully.
Yeah.
And so it is something that's humbling, and it's something that causes a lot of self-reflection. In our nation, we're taught the American dream, and that's what you need to go, that's your mission, that's what you go, go, go. And of course, it's most people never reach it, but that's it. You grasp for power and leverage it in this dog-eat-dog type of structure so that you can find yourself on top and successful and have everything. And that's not, it's not necessarily something that is encouraged in the biblical story.